Hi guys, welcome to Double Chin's channel here. Today I'm going to be installing the all lights on module made from Fleece. There it is. I'm going to be installing it in my 2020 GMC AT4 HD here. Supposed to turn all my lights on when I use my high beams, including my fog lights, my high beam, and my regular low beams. So let's get going. So here we are. I already got the pin pulled out. It's the brown module pin that goes up here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's this one right here. I already pulled it out, so I'll show you guys. Alright, here it is installed. From what I can see here, it's the brown wire with the white stripe and the purple wire with white stripe. I'll put the description down below on how to install it and how you can find it. Okay, let's go and plug it in and test it out. Okay, have it all installed. Put back up. There it is. Now I got my regular lights on, the low beam. Let's check it out. There you go, as you can see, my low beam is on. Okay, let's go turn the fog light on. It should work like normal, they said. The fog light is on. There it is. Low beam. Fog light is on. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but it's on. And then let's go turn the high beam on, because that's supposed to put all of it on. Okay. High beam is on. And there you go, all my lights are on. Low beam, high beam, and the fog light. It's hard to see the fog light. But yes, it's on. It's a pretty cool mod. I suggest it for everyone to use it if they want more lights at night. Just turn the high beam back off. Turn the low beam off. I mean the fog light off. Just the high beam, or just the low beam. And there it is. Works like they said it would. Alright. Let's turn everything back off here. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. This is my first time doing a YouTube video. So please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if I did anything, let me know if I need to do anything better on the videoing. Otherwise, thank you.